Hello guys, today's video Tomika of new like this one. This is the 128. The fire truck is the called the fire like this. I'm gonna open it. Let's see open. Let's open it. Hey, look, there's a fire truck. He said there's a fire in the hide and then you cannot open it, and here's the pictures, and then look at this. This is fires is like that. I'm gonna open it. This is so cool. This fire is cool, and then like that. Hey, look, this open it, and this like there, like that, and this one, and like this one. This fire truck is cool. She said, he said SW2, like that, and then he gonna drive it anywheres. And this box is cool, like this. And there's look at this. This one is open at like that. See, like that, and like that's like that. Okay, see you next time. And then my toys like this one. Bye bye.